The most beautiful place in a space is getting spoiled by diseases. Good morning to one and all. It is rightly said by someone, health is wealth. So today our special assembly will be based on health. Our assembly consists of thought, holy reading, speech, cum skit. Hope you will listen to us patiently. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. Holy reading from Bible. All scripture is given by God and is profitable for doctrine, for reproof, for correction, for instruction in righteousness. That the man of God may be perfect, truly furnished unto all good works. He said this in reference to the Spirit, that those who came to believe in him were to receive. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. Today's thought, prevention is better than cure. I repeat my thought, prevention is better than cure. Thank you.
Good morning. I'd like to begin my news with a thought-provoking proverb. The height by great man were not attained in a single blow, but while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in night. News headlines are: eco-friendly Uttarakhand seeks reward. Ajmer blast. 4 of 5 accused of having links with RSS. Completion of road development project will depend on land acquisition, says Finance Minister Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. The government is all set to hire 13 twin-engine armor-plated turbine helicopters in moist-hit areas and surveillance project. Over to sports. Preferred challenge of clubs to country. The former Portuguese coach reveals his plans for India. Maradona turns 50 with little fanfare. Pakistan hockey coach confident of beating India in the Asian game. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Welcome and hi to your own show, Health is Wealth. What's up, guys and girls? Today we are back with another episode of our show. Alcohol. Many of the people are addicted to alcohol. Many schooling boys are also addicted to it. They smoke, smell diluters and drink. Today we have our guest of AIIMS Hospital Delhi, Dr. Aparna Joshi, and our very own Divya Khatri. I'm your host Nivedita. So let's proceed with our show. Please sit.
Hello doctor, how are you?
I'm fine.
Today our topic is drug and alcohol use. Please tell us something about it.
Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social and psychological well-being. Drug and the alcohol abuse among the youth and the adolescents is becoming the cause of the concern as it has many harmful effects. Because of its addictive nature and their perceived benefit like relief from the stress, a person may try taking these in the face of peer pressure, examination related or competition related stresses. In doing so, he or she may get addicted to them.
What is drug dependence?
Certain drugs are prescribed by the physician for improving the mental and the physical status and for the treatment of the diseases which are withdrawn as soon as the desired result is achieved. Repeated use of the drugs over a periodic or on a continuous basis will make the body dependent on drugs. This is what we call drug dependence.
What are the commonly abused drugs?
The commonly abused drugs are the opioids, cannabinoids and coca-alkaloids. Majority of them they are obtained from the flowering plants and some are obtained from fungi.
What are opioids, coca-alkaloids and cannabinoids?
Opioids, they are the drugs which bind to specific receptors present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. And cannabinoids, they are the group of the chemicals which interact with the cannabinoid receptors present principally in our brain. And the coca-alkaloids, they are obtained from the coca plant native to the South America.
Does smoking and tobacco also paves the way to heart disease?
Absolutely yes. Tobacco, it has been used by the human beings for more than 400 years. It is smoked, chewed or used as a snuff. Smoking is associated with the increased incidence of cancer of the lung, heart, urinary bladder and throat. Tobacco chewing is associated with the increased risk of cancer of oral cavity.
In your views, what are the common causes which motivate youngsters and youth to use drugs and alcohol?
Curiosity, need for the adventure and excitement, and experimentation constitute the common causes. These drive the people to use them even when they do not want to, or their use becomes self-destructive. The perception among the youth that it is very cool or very good to use smoke and use drugs. It is also the another cause why the youth they start these habits. Other factors are the unsupportive and the unstable family structure and peer pressure.
What are the most common warning signs of drugs or alcohol abuse?
The most common warning signs they are the fluctuations in weight, ruining relationships with friends and family, and the drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from the school, aggressive behavior, etc.
What are the what are the prevention and control that you would like to tell to our audience?
Prevention is better than cure, it holds true here. It is also true that these habits are more likely to catch up, especially at the young age during adolescence. Therefore, it is best to identify the situations. In this regard, parents and the teachers, they have a special responsibility.
Now it's the time to answer the questions of the audience.
So anyone from the audience want to ask questions?
Excuse me, I have a question please.
Yeah, please.
Once a person starts taking drugs or alcohol, why it is difficult to get rid of it?
A very good question. What do we mean by addiction is that it is the psychological attachment to certain effects associated with drugs and alcohol. These drive the people to use them even when they do not want to. The repetitive use of the drugs, it increases the tolerance level of the receptors present in our body. Then the receptor, consequently, they respond only to the higher doses of the drugs. Thus, it leads to addiction. These drive the people to use them which they may not be able to get out.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Yeah, of course.
Go on.
Actually, we have heard that sports persons they use drugs to enhance their performance. Is it so, or and why
You
is
have
it?
heard absolutely correct. Many people they misuse the drugs to enhance their muscle strength, and finally they improve their athletic performance.
Thank you, doctor.
So anyone else from the audience?
That side also.
Okay, please. What's your name? First tell us.
From there only.
What's your name? Maybe a little loud, maybe.
I want to ask you a question that if a person is addicted to drugs, so how he can prevent the drugs? What are the
Yeah, right now I told you that prevention in that parents and teachers they have a special responsibility, and for that the many doctors are there to whom you can consult.
This medical science has invent the some vaccination or something to prevent all these things.
If you take the drugs using syringe or the needles, you are more likely to catch up the serious infections like the hepatitis B or AIDS. So,
May I answer this? We don't have vaccinations, but we have rehabilitation centers where you can go and they can prevent you by taking drugs. So it's over now. Thank you very much for being such a lovely audience. Thank you, doctor.
At the end of your show, what advice would you like to give to the youngsters and youth?
the only advice which I would like to give them is that health is not just the absence of the diseases. Knowing their dangers, the youth and the old should avoid their use. It is worthwhile to channelize your energy into the healthy pursuits. With all these efforts, you can get rid of the problem completely and you will lead a perfectly normal and healthy life. So choose life, not drugs and alcohol.
Doctor, may I ask you a question? See, basically the teenagers who take drugs, they never tell their parents. So how they can know that our children are addicted to it?
I told the common causes, it's the fluctuations in the weight and the unexplained absence from the school.
May I tell you something?
Yeah.
Ma'am, sometimes there are hormonal changes also due to which they show these symptoms. So,
Yeah, so
see, there is a difference between addiction and hormonal changes. So,
that is fluctuations in weight. Hormonal, then fluctuations in weight would be there. So indirectly the causes are these only. I'm not telling that hormonal changes are there, then the fluctuations in weight.
no, I meant to say that. the
Yeah, I
symptoms-
got what you mean to say. So these are the causes through which the parents and the teachers they can know that he or she is becoming addicted to the drugs and alcohol.
So I think it's over now. Thank you guys for being a lovely audience. You can catch us on our website www.healthiswealth.com, and thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.